Hey guys, how's it going? How to host a webinar using Bluehost plugin. So first of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you pick the best plan. And if you want the best plan, please visit the link in the description box. If you want to basically set up and host a webinar, you can see right here, this is the article, and you can use the plugins inside the Bluehost to basically to host a webinar. But first, this is a long article, so can we basically get various plugin that I can use as a website builder to host a webinar? Here's a couple things or a couple plugins that you can use for your webinar. First, you can use the WP webinar system, right? This is a plugin that you can use for hosting your own webinar, right? It's an official tool that you can use to host a webinar. This plugin allows you to set up automated live and recurring webinars within WordPress. And you have another tool which is familiar with most, Zoom for WordPress, right? This plugin allows you basically, if you prefer using Zoom, this plugin can basically embed and manage Zoom meetings and webinars directly on your WordPress site, right? And you have lastly Webinar Press, right? This user friendly plugin is tailored for webinars and integrates with email platforms like MailChimp. It supports live and automated webinars and allows you to customize and registration customize the registration and attendee experience. So this is a couple, this is a 3 plugin tools that you can use to host a webinar on Bluehost. So let's turn on the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.